Let's look at an example of adding fractions. Example 1. Here we go. 1 over 3 add 1/2. This is what you do. You're going to cross multiply. The top left's going to multiply that. That's going to multiply that. And then you've got one final multiplication. So all of these are multiplying. Here, I'll show you what happens. 1 times 2 is 2. So that goes on the top line. Plus 3 times 1. All over. 3 times 2 is 6. And then you work out what the top is. 5 over 6. And there you go. Let's go through that again. We'll do some. We can use the same technique for subtraction. 4/7 take away 2/5. So you've got a little cross there, and then we've got finally this bit here. So let's go through this then. 4 times 5 is 20. Put the minus sign. 7 times 2 is 14. Next, I'm going to put this long division symbol, if you will, fraction symbol, and then 7 times 5 is 35. And now all I have to do is this. 20 take away 14 gives me 6. 4/7 take away 2/5 is 6 over 35. Now, let's look at one more. And I'll show you what's the slight problem with this method. Here we go. 3/4 take away 1/6. So I draw my little arrows. I don't have to put the arrow heads on, boys and girls. That's just me. I don't know, enjoying things. So the first calculation is top left times bottom right. 3 times 6 is 18. Then I do bottom left times top right. 4 times 1 is 4. And then on the bottom, 4 times 6, 24. Next, I work out 18 take away 4, which is 14. But the problem is my answer. It's right-ish, but it isn't simplified, is it? Now, can everybody remember from either year 7 or our work earlier on? What can I do? Can I divide top and bottom here by a common factor? Yasmin?
Yeah, so it would be 7 over 12.
Good. You look at both. You always double check your answer. Can you divide it by a common factor? Is there a same number that will divide into both? There is. 2 will divide into both. So you get 14 divided by 2, 7. 24 divided by 2, which is 12. Okay. Go through that once more where you have to double check. Here we go. Example 4. 5 over 9 add 1/6. Bless you. So, here we go. So, top left times bottom right. 5 times 6 is 30. Then we do bottom left times top right. Putting the plus sign in between. 9 times 1 is 9. There's that symbol that makes up a fraction. And then 9 times 6 is 54. 30 add 9 is 39 over 54. Now, some of you might think, hang on, there isn't a common factor. But the common factors aren't always even numbers. They're not always 2, 4, and 6. It could be 5 or 7 or... Can anybody guess a number that will divide it in both of those? Yeah. No, they don't. The clue there is they both end in 5 or 0. No, it's 3 will divide into both. Okay, now let's go through this then. 3's into 39, 3's into 3, go 1, 3's into 9, go 3. So 39 divided by 3 is 13. If you can't do it in your head, here, watch what I'm doing. I'm dividing 54 by 3. 3's into 5, go 1, remainder 2, 3's into 24, go 8. So the answer is 18. There's the answer in its simplified form.